Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to share my January 2021 Freckled Fawn kit. Now it just came in the mail today and I did not look on the website to know what this kit was going to be all about. So we're seeing it at the same time. Oh boy. Is that it? That's it. Let me move that aside. I always like to start with my alphabets, and that is a beautiful royal, but with a navy appearance blue. It's almost like a blueberry blue, kind of a purpley blue, and I love it. It has numbers. That's awesome. So there's that. The labels this month, so pretty. I like those. The washi strips. Oh, now this whole lemon gig, I don't know what that's all about. It says life is better with a smile, and don't forget about this with an arrow, and don't forget about this. Super cute washi. That is one washi tape with the smaller slashes with the larger ones. That is so cool. Then these are the chipboard element this month. I love this. I love that color glitter on there. And then the blue also has glitter as well. Let me see if I can take these out so you can see the glitter better. Like you can't see glitter well enough, right? I think these are just spectacular. There we go. I don't think it's like a super, these may be more in your face than the blue for sure. The blue is just so pretty. And then of course the yellow doesn't have any glitter, but if you wanted glitter on them, you could get your stickles or your glitter and heat emboss them on there. These are the enamel dots, dots and stars and hearts. There's some white glitter hearts and dots and some yellow stars and dots. Super cute. And then a wood veneer this time says 2021. That's fab. So that's it. Short sweet video of my Freckled Fawn January 2021 kit. If you're interested in this kit, you can go over to the Freckled Fawn website, and I will try and remember to leave a link down in the note section. If you're interested, you can pop over. I don't get anything. I buy my kits every month. But I'll leave a link for you if you're interested in purchasing one of these kits. Now, mind you, they only come, I think the basic kit comes with the alphabet stickers, one set of alphabet stickers, the labels, and the washi strips, and the chipboard. I think the add-ons are the wood veneer, the enamel stickers. I'm not 100% about the enamel stickers. They may come in the basic kit, and the extra letter alphabet that I got. Those are all extras. So I will leave you a link. You go over, you buy what you want. They have sales fairly frequently where you can pick up some really good buys. So I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.